This video goes over question 12 of the Working with Lines homework. At a price of $2.26 per bushel, the supply of a certain grain is 7,200 million bushels and the demand is 7,600 million bushels. At a price of $2.33 per bushel, the supply is 7,600 and the demand is 7,500. A, find a price-supply equation in the form P equals mx plus B, where P is the price in dollars and X is the supply in millions of bushels. So we're going to do this in the calculator as well. So I'm going to go grab my calculator and I'm going to start a new problem. Doc for 1 for new problem. I'm going to add list and spreadsheet. Tab to get to the top of the column, and I'm going to call the X's for the supply SU for supply. So my first supply amount is 7,200 bushels or million bushels, and then the second one is 7,600, and then the two prices. Tab to get up here, I'm going to go PR, abbreviate this PR for price. So the two prices were 2.26 and 2.33. 2.33. Get that entered. Then I'm going to add or open a data and statistics page. And supply is going to be my horizontal, price is going to be my vertical. Menu, 4 for analyze, 6 for regression, then 1 for show linear, and there's my equation. So this is going to be (0.00175x plus 1). So we'll check that answer. Oh, missed a 0. One more 0. Check answer. Fantastic. So I'm going to go OK, and then I need to find the price demand. But before I do that, I'm going to get this equation and put it into a function graph. So I'm actually just going to go plus page, do a function, and put that in 0.000175x. And plus 1. So it looks like a pretty flat graph, but we'll fix the window later. So I'm going to go Control up arrow, and I want to go back to the spreadsheet. So now I'm going to do the demand. So at 266 or 2.26, the demand is 7,600. So I'm going to go to the top of the column here and DE for demand. So that is 7,600 at the low price. And then opening this back up. So the supplies, and then 7,500 at 233. 7,500. Enter that. I'm going to go Control right arrow to get back to the data and statistics page, and I didn't even have to change, or actually I do need to change. This variable needs to change to demand, and I don't have to do anything else. It automatically updated that regression equation. So negative 0.123, I'll go split screen here, 123 7x, then plus 7.58. Check the answer. Excellent. Okay, it's asking me for the equilibrium point. So I'm going to go get this equation into the calculator page, and I'm going to add, or in the graph page, I'm going to add a calculator page first. Go to var, Here's my stat regression equation, put in an X. And then I'm going to copy that and then go one more right to the graph. Tab to open up F2, Control V, and enter. So I see no intersection, but I'm going to fix my window now. So I'm going to go to Menu, Window Slant Zoom, 1 for window settings. I'm going to go -1000 to 10,000. So that'll get my, definitely accommodate my 70 something, 7700, something like that. I'm going to put a tick mark every 1,000 on the x-axis. I like to see the x-axis, so I'm going to go -1 to 3 and put a tick mark every 50 cents. So now I do see an intersection. Menu, 6 for analyze graph, 4 for intersection. Calculator is asking me lower bound, upper bound. So my intersection point, or my equilibrium point, is 75.20 to 31.6. So I need parentheses. I like using the ordered pair template. 7520. Right arrow to jump over the comma, right arrow to get into the rectangle, 2.316. We'll check that answer. Nice work. Now we're just trying to match one of these graphs. Before you match the graph, their window is way different than ours. So I'm going to match their window before I try to match the graph. So Menu, Window Slant Zoom, Window Settings, and it looks like they're going from 7,000 to 8,000. I'm going to put a tick mark every 500, and then it looks like it's maybe 1.7 to 3, and we'll check that. So the closest one looks like C. Final check, just one chance. Good job. That concludes this video.